Grain switchbacks, burls, and quilting make your planer a poor choice for surfacing natural edge projects. A router sled and a spoilboard bit eliminate the tear out and also let you tackle projects bigger than your planer can handle. Ultra-Shear 4-flute and 3-flute Carbide-Tipped Spoilboard bits are designed to machine a flat surface. Since the bit is turning parallel with the board surface, you don't get the tear out and grain lifting that you can get with a planer head. We make them in 4 sizes: 1¼ inch, 1.5 inch, and 2-inch diameters with a 1/2 inch shank, and a 1-inch diameter with a 1/4 inch shank. The funny name comes from the CNC world, where they're used to cut a sacrificial board in a perfect plane to the machine's gantry. Woodworkers use them for oversized projects, like natural edge slabs and glue-ups that exceed the capacity of most planers. But these bits work equally well on smaller projects. The 1/4 inch shank model even works with cordless palm routers, so you can tackle projects like a laminated cutting board in a small shop without room for a planer at all. And the surface when you're through needs only light sanding. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Beautifully machined boards of any size and shape with your router and Ultra-Shear's Carbide-Tipped Spoilboard bits. Order yours today. Have an idea for router bits you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.